Okay, so we've drawn things on with our marker, and I'm bringing the bobbin thread up. I'm going to put needle down, my feed dogs are down, and I'm going to stitch a shape. It's probably easier to stitch towards you, so we'll make this square first. I come to the corner, I can just take my foot off the gas. Let's trim this because it's just my practice. And then get ready to go in the other direction. Okay, so now I'm going to do these 3 triangular shapes. Pause, and then go back. One more. Little space, point, over, stop. Okay. So now I can follow this line. And with the open toe foot, which is the one that I prefer, you can see where you're going. So don't be afraid to stop and rotate your quilt sandwich and continue. Okay, here I am on the outside, so I'm going to go around the square again. Okay, now you can retrace and do the next shape if you want, or since I'm here, I can just do the swirl, which I'm going to do now. Okay, you can see that I didn't follow the line. I went off. Some people are much better at following a line. I am not. But I just look at the shape, my dark thread, and that's what I'm going to go by. So I can add another one in the front here. Maybe echo it around. Again. Now I can start doing the filler, or I can go right next to that first stitching to do this next shape. And then fill in between after. Now I made a little squiggle mark here, so I'm going to do a very dense meander in there. So if I go a little bit faster and just keep wiggling the fabric. What you're trying to do is make an even density design in there, but it's nothing that I'm trying to come up with a pattern and then repeat it. I'm just filling in the space with some wiggles. And you'll find that you'll get a lot of sharp edges if you're not quite going fast enough. These are very small stitches when you do a very tight wiggle like this. But it's so much fun, and especially if you have all the same templates and you get together with some friends, and everyone will connect them differently, so everyone's project will come out differently. And you can even experiment with fabric. Do it with rayon thread or silk thread on some silk fabric, and someone else be working on cotton, and someone else work on flannel. And it's really interesting to see how many things you can do with these templates. They're not just for cutting, they're for quilting design and lots of other things you can use them for. I like to buy a tool that's very versatile, and that's what I find with these Martelli templates. So here I am. And wherever you end up, you can just start doing that zigzag. Touch the edge, touch the edge, touch the edge. Now I'm going to turn it around so I can see where I'm going. Well, I hope you'll try some of these. Any design that you can draw, and the hint is just to draw it so that you can quilt it. So if you're drawing with a continuous line, then you'll be more successful at quilting it with a continuous line. Sometimes you need to talk to yourself. On top, underneath, on top, underneath. It's okay to talk to yourself. Now we're back here. So once again, I'm going to do the zigzag first. And then finish up with those curves.